What's up guys, and welcome back again. So initially I dropped a video on the step-by-step on how to link your accounts, including your how to submit your EVM, whatever, all the accounts listed here. So we made a mistake in our initial video, which I am about to correct now. But if you are just coming to this is your first to watch this, I'm gonna do everything as I did in the first step. So the first thing is you click on your edit here. If you have already submitted before, like now we are going to take down everything as we did here. I'm going to want up everything now. Your EVM wallet, and what is your EVM wallet? Your EVM wallet is any Ethereum wallet, not exchange wallet outside. Is either Ethereum, USDT on Ethereum blockchain. So, but for the safe, you can just make use of your Ethereum. So, and you are going to make use of is either you make use of MetaMask or you make use of your Trust wallet or other wallet. But for the safety and for the fast process, we are going to make use of our Trust wallet. So let's head over to our Trust wallet, and here is my Trust wallet. Here, as you can see, I just scroll down and look at all the tokens here, and here is it, the top token, and I click on Ethereum here. Sorry, the Ethereum, where is it? So I click on the Ethereum here, and it's going to show me received here. So I'm going to click on the receive here, and I will click on it, copy, and I will head over to my Arichain wallet and paste it there. So here is it, my Discord account. I'm going to head over to my Discord account so that I will go ahead and copy my Discord handle. So here is my Discord handle. Here I will click on my hamburger, my profile, which is my coconut head, and I will click on it, and it's going to take me here. As you can see here, we have the display, and we have, this is the handle. So but for the safety, for the safe guide, you just click on this, your setting up here, and click on it. Once you click on your setting up, it's going to take you to your account. All you need to do, click on this place, your account, where you are going to copy your user, your handle. So as you can see, I am currently in my account here. I have the username, I have the display name, but the major, what I really need here is my username, which is this, my user. So I just need to copy it, and after I copy it, I will head over to my Arichain wallet and click on it, beta-tech. Here is it. So here you now head over to your Twitter account as well, the way we did. So let's head over to our Twitter account. So here is my Twitter account, and I'm going to link my account here. This is my handle, as you can see, we have this at beta-tech. So this is my handle. I'm going to copy this and head over and send it, fill the gap here. So I'm going to copy at beta-tech. So as you can see, here is it at beta-tech, and I'm going to verify. Look at it, submit. So click on it, has successfully submit. Now the second step is to go back to your Discord account and link the same information you linked here. But initially, I think they were the one. I'm going to check it again, but it should be from them. But let's head over to our Discord account. So on your Discord account, you are going to locate this place. Look at this, take a look at it, this Arichain wallet. So you are going to click on this, where it's going to take you to this step. Here is it. They already have a step here, and you can just follow this for the fast process. Now click on this place, this hash. Look at this, click on it. It's going to take you to your account here. Now here is it, the account registration, all you need to do is to click on this place here where they ask you to message. Look at, people are actually linking their account, and like we did, we are going to click on this, and the account is going to display here. Sorry, let's go again. The account is going to display here, EVM blah blah Twitter, something like that. So we are going to click on this, and we are going to send. So here is it. It said Twitter handle, this information. So now I will go ahead to my Ari wallet and copy every information here. So initially we made a mistake on this Ari wallet. So instead of Ari wallet, we just put in our Ari, we put in our Discord user. So now I have made my correction here. So here is the first one is the EVM address, the one you put in the first and on your wallet. So let's go to the Ari wallet. So once you come to the Ari wallet, you click on this edit as well. Again, you click on edit, you copy this, you copy it and go to the Discord account and you paste it here. Let me remove this and let me paste it again. You paste it. Sorry. So as you can see, I have pasted it as well, and the username, the Twitter handle, which is at Bidatech, and the Ari wallet, the one we made a mistake initially, which is this. I will come over again. Sorry. I'll come to my Ari wallet here, and I will just click on this place, this three hamburger button. I'll click here and I will copy my wallet here, which is my wallet. I will copy it, then I will head over to my Arichain again. So here I'm going to delete this and paste it again. As you can see, I've deleted it, and I'm going to click and submit. So I'm going to click on submit. Voila, and voila, it has completely submitted. So this is the guide, and this is the first guide we did, and now I have submitted. Look at it, look at mine now. Your wallet has been saved and resubmission anytime update. So look at it, look at mine now. This is mine now. It has submitted and it can be updated at any moment. If there is anything or anything, is going to give me error. If there is error, it's going to give me error here. Like the first one we did, immediately I come back here, it gave me the error, and which I just resubmitted now. And as you can see, the time here, the time is just 9:43, and the video here is 9:44 as well. So which is, I just update it now, and voila, you are done. So if there is anything again you want, or if you see any mistake here, please don't hesitate to reach out to me as well. Thank you so much.